frog webkins, elephant webkins, llama socks, wardrobe, new outfits for my dolls, tea set, kits, accessories, kits, the magazine, a house calendar, 2 llamas, Twister, a Hello Kitty radio, the dog, and the kitty. And I think that's it for over here.
Cool. Oh.
And then I have a Slinky, action figure vehicles, a football, more action figure vehicles, the dinosaur, which the name escapes me, and the Roboquad,
Roboraptor.
and the Outdoor Boy Adventures book, Star Wars calendar, little figure of Master Chief, tons of city Lego stuff, a poster,
Your boombox. What's your
and
boombox?
my boombox.
Can I see it? Cool. And look at that big old bag of garbage. Is that yours too?
Yeah. Oh, and I got that. And a Slinky.
And a Slinky. He said a Slinky. Show me, what did you get? Ooh, you play with that. Okay. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, wait. We're gonna zoom in. Look what Grandma painted herself. Look at that. Look at the detail. Vozels. Wow. Grandma's very talented, isn't she?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas! Bye.